The Ebola virus is spreading rapidly in places like Sierra Leone, where Doctors Without Borders staff cannot venture outside this center to look for others who may be infected.
I would say we are on the top of the iceberg in the moment because the contact tracing is not really functioning.
The World Health Organization reports the Ebola virus has killed more than 670 people in Sierra Leone, Guinea, Liberia, and Nigeria. Among them, health workers like Sierra Leone Ebola doctor Sheikh Umar Khan. And Decontee Sawyer's husband, Patrick, a U.S. citizen who was visiting West Africa.
He got it from his sister, who also died from Ebola weeks earlier, without them knowing that she had Ebola.
The U.S. State Department confirmed his death Wednesday.
We've confirmed that a U.S. citizen died in Nigeria after contracting the virus in Liberia. He had traveled to Nigeria while infected with the virus.
The State Department has issued no travel warnings, and the White House says airline travel is safe. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says there is no cause for alarm.
The CDC has stated there's no significant risk in the United States from the current Ebola outbreak.
President Obama is receiving regular briefings on the outbreak, and a spokesman says the White House will hold a U.S.-Africa Leader Summit next week as planned. Medical experts predict this outbreak will be especially hard to contain. Ebola researcher Thomas Geisbert with the University of Texas Medical Branch spoke via Skype.
What's been extremely challenging about this particular outbreak in West Africa is that you have episodes of infection occurring simultaneously over a very large geographic area, and this really spreads the expertise thin.
Other world leaders say they are also monitoring the situation and have expressed concerns the virus may spread globally. Groups like the U.S. Peace Corps and U.S. charity Samaritan's Purse, which had 2 workers contract the Ebola virus, are acting now. They are temporarily pulling personnel from the region until the health threat subsides. Mary Alice Salinas, VOA News, Washington.